Okay, this is how to use your burst photo option in the camera app. If you go to your camera app and you go to photo, because I'm just going to take a regular photo, I'm going to flip the camera around so that we can see. Now if you are taking a high action photo where the person's catching a ball or the ball is coming or you want to see them kick the ball, you would probably want to take a photo burst, and that's holding the shutter button down for a period of time. If you hold it down for that period, you can go back and pick the photo that you want. So I'm going to simulate that by sticking my hand up for the action, and I'll take a photo throughout the entire period. So here comes the ball, here comes the ball. Alright, so you saw it counted up to 13. And here is the preview of that photo. We'll click that to bring up the Photos app. And it says at the top, burst 13 photos. Select this select link at the bottom, it's blue, and then you will see all of your burst photos. This right here shows the ones that it recommends with the dots. This just slides to what you can see. But this right here is what you want. This is how you pan through all of the photos that you took. And what I do is I just select maybe two. Say these two were the best. Touch that circle to select it. It gets check marks at the bottom, and then I'll hit done. It says keep everything or keep the two. I'm going to keep the two and delete all the others. And that'll save space on your phone. So now, if I go back to my Photos app, here, and I'm in my albums at the bottom, I back out of everything, go to Albums, Camera Roll. You'll see the two photos there that were from the single burst. So you can send them to someone, you can use them like any other photo. That's very handy. If you don't have the live photo, you can always do a burst. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.